Good day, everyone. Good day. Good day, classmates and Doc Mel. I'm Eileen N. Parocha. This is a student. This is my report on Module 10, Evaluating the Effectiveness and Community Service and Sustainable Development using quantitative and qualitative monitoring evaluation. Evaluating community service and sustainable development. This evaluation assesses the effectiveness of a community service and sustainable development program using mixed methods approach, which integrates both qualitative and quantitative monitoring evaluation frameworks. By combining measurable indicators with contextual insight, this study provides the comprehensive understanding of the program outcomes, community impact, and areas of improvements. The quantitative methodology is a framework that employs structured survey, statistical analysis, and a baseline comparison to measure a program outcomes across community service and sustainable development initiative. The key methods include the pre-post surveys, where the like scale indicators, frequently distribution, and cross-tabulation analysis based to end-line comparison using paired t-test and performance trackings against SMART indicator. The data collected from beneficiaries, service provided, and community stakeholders are defined intervals. The monitoring and evaluation methods is the quantitative and qualitative methods. The quantitative methods is structured surveys and questionnaire to the measure program research, statistical analysis of a service delivery indicators, while qualitative methods is a focus group discussion with the community stakeholders, in-depth interviews with the program beneficiary, participatory observation of community activities. There are three evaluation phases: the data collection, the data analysis, and the data reporting. The data collection is a gathering qualitative data, surveys, service record, participation rates, and qualitative data interviews, focus groups and case studies from community stakeholders and the program beneficiaries. Data analysis is the collecting data using statistical method for qualitative findings and thematic coding for qualitative insight, and assesses programs outcomes against sustainable development indicators. And the data reporting is a compiling findings into comprehensive monitoring and evaluation reports with evidence-based recommendations. The program reach and participation metric. Qualitative findings reveal strong community engagement across all programs area. The program effectiveness and key outcome. Qualitative monitoring data reveals that 87% of a program participant reported measurable improvements in the case community service following the program implementation. Qualitative assessment collaborated these findings with the beneficiaries, citing enhanced service delivery, stronger community cohesion, and tangible gains in sustainable development outcome methods. The community feedback and stakeholder perspective. First, the community feedback team's qualitative interview of focus group discussion revealed that the beneficiary report improved access in essential services, strong social cohesion, and awareness of sustainable project. Stakeholder perspective is a key informative interviews where the local leader, partner organization, and a program staff highlighted strong alignment between programs, objectives, and community priorities. This is the recommendation for a program improvement based on a qualitative and quantitative monitoring findings. The following recommendations are proposed. The participation record for quantitative monitoring, attendance sheet, survey, free post-test, voluntary database, and qualitative monitoring will the key informant interviews, focus group discussion, community feedback, success story, field observation. And lastly, a mixed method approach combines statistical data with the participants' experiences. Qualitative data measured the extent of change, while qualitative data explain how and why those changes occurred. To conclude this report, monitoring and evaluation should go beyond counting activities. A comprehensive monitoring and evaluation system should measure outputs, assess long-term impacts, combine qualitative and quantitative evidence, and support continuous program of improvement. Lastly, true program of effectiveness is reflected not only in a number of activities conducted, but also a lasting behavioral, organization, and community changes. Sustainability is one of the strongest indicators of success. This is the reference of my report, and thank you for listening.